Welcome to SAKmods. I've got another Spydernox build for you, this one with red Alox Scales. Before we get into it, just want to remind you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I am doing a giveaway for when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget. Alright, let's get into it. Got some scissors here. Next, the file. All the tools are acid etched and brass washed. Got the Cuticle Pusher that I did grind down to a chisel point. Everything snaps open and closed like it should. Got the hook blade. And the small flat blade. The liners in here, I did make up some brass liners for this one. Here we've got the regular Victorinox pen blade. Got the saw that I made from a ruler. It does have the slotted tip screwdriver that I left on this one. Got the combo tool with the Phillips head, bottle cap opener, and wire stripper. And then finally, the Spyderco Ladybug Blade. It is a Gen 3, the newer ones. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.